Hi everybody, I'm Shauna and this is Ring Light Crafts. People have been asking about reefs, the different types of reefs, and there's two types, well a lot of style, but two types of reefs. One is a thin flat reef like our Christmas one here that we made on a previous live, and what I'm going to do is show you the difference how they work with a screen. So I'm just going to slide this right up here. It doesn't have to stay perfectly. We're just going to make it stay up just to show you guys. Now this is what they call a flat reef. And the reason why this is a flat reef, it doesn't have all the bulk with it. Just nice and flat so it's against your door. So if you do have a screen, let me close the door. If you do have a screen and you want to shut your door, it's not going to totally squish your reef. It may not even touch it. This is just loose because I hit it and broke it, so. But anyways, you get the idea. So this is a flat reef to use on a screen door. This is one style, which is pretty cool because no matter the type of screen door, they're only literally like this. They're just real thin, so your door should close totally safe so you can lock and secure it. Let me see if I can just turn up this brightness. I slice. My nails are too long, guys. And I can't see. Okay, well I guess we cannot see. So anyways, so what do you think? Real simple, okay, and you can still lock and secure your door. Now the second type of reef, let me open this back up and take this one off. The second type of reef is one that you just want to put on a door that doesn't have a screen, and this is why. The real popular mesh reefs, this is an old one I made when I first started learning. They just sit up there, they're real nice, they're real pretty and all that. And it's also cheap mesh I was learning with. But you just learn how to do what you got. And they're real pretty, they're real nice, but they're so fluffy. Now watch what happens with the regular type of a reef. So you remember the regular reef and then the flat reefs. And here we go, we're going to shut it and, whoops, it even opened up the door. So you don't want to use this type of a reef because obviously if you're going to shut your screen, it's going to, one, shove your door open, two, it won't lock it securely, and three, it's going to totally squish your reef. So if you're going to use the big reef, make sure you don't have it on a door, you guys, that has a screen. So remember the two types of reefs, because see how fat this one is? Let me just shut the lady's door here. This is my neighbor's house. She was so nice to let us use her door because I don't have a screen. So all that did was totally squish the reef. And see how fat this reef is on the side? So let's just back right over here. I'm going to hand this one to Grandpa real fast. I'm going to grab the other one. I hope you guys can see. Bring them together, Grandpa. No. Yeah, go in the sun. Okay, guys. Bear with us. It's kind of hard. I got to face the ground so I don't give out her private information. I hope you can see this because I cannot see what you're seeing. Put them like this, side by side, just like that. So that you guys can see the width of both. How thick one side is compared to the other. So remember, if you want your screen to close and your door to be locked safely, flat screen. If you want the big puff mesh reefs, they're much wider. So when you order your reefs, make sure that you know what door you want it on. And if it is a mesh that you still want for your front door, you guys, feel free to ask the person that's making them if they can make it small enough to fit behind a screen. So I think it's really important that you guys have the screen that you, or the reefs that you guys want, and you get to enjoy them without them being destroyed by your door. So anyways, once again, I am Shauna. This is Ring Light Crafts. I gotta go clean my face up. I killed myself with my nails. Gotta cut my nails. Anyways, you guys, as always, be blessed. Please subscribe. Turn on a bell for notification. I really appreciate all your help. Feel free to share this video. And as always, you guys, be blessed.